And it appears we have yet another Haulover Cowboy. Welcome back to Boats vs. Haulover, where man and machine take on Mother Nature down at Haulover Inlet in Miami, Florida. I'm your host, Broncos Guru, in collaboration with our boy Wavy Boats down at the inlet getting the images, and let's get this episode started. It is 5 o'clock somewhere, but sometimes I think it's 5 o'clock all the time at Haulover Inlet, kind of like we'll see here as our first contestant to do battle is going to have a Haulover happy hour. This large Monterey is going to come rolling through Haulover with one of the crew members in the front with a frosty beverage in their hand. Once again, having a Haulover happy hour, but this is never a good idea, even when it appears to be a calm day like this. As you can tell, she's already looking back yelling, "Hey bro, my drink's everywhere." And for that reason, we'll go ahead and give this first round a Haulover. Our second round contestant's going to get a little speed check as they come rolling through Haulover Inlet. Here we'll see this MTI straight rolling through the inlet. These guys are blasting through, throttles down without a care in the world, when all of a sudden what they don't realize is about to happen is the authorities have stepped in and they're getting speed checked. But fortunately for these guys, there's no speed limit at Haulover, and it doesn't matter if somebody's pulling the radar gun out or not. These guys are going to blast their way on in and going to take an easy win for the boats in this round. But seeing that does make me question how fast this vessel's going. Let me know in the comments below, how fast do you think this boat was hitting? Our contestant in the third round is going to come through Haulover Inlet straight thumping their way through the inlet. Here we're going to see this little Sea Fox with a crew of 4 heading out the inlet, but you know what? It is a little bit of a rough day, and this Sea Fox is going to take a rough ride, partially because these guys are probably going a little bit too slow. They probably should have just a little more throttle behind it, but to let you know how hard they're hitting, we could hear it all the way at the inlet. And that'll wind up giving the inlet the win in the third round, but here in the fourth round, I think Haulover has no chance, as we're going to see this big Pershing come rolling through the inlet. I'm not really the biggest fan of these yacht-style boats, as they're just not something that fits in my lifestyle, probably because I can't afford them either, but I'll tell you what, these Pershings are absolutely beautiful boats. These yachts are pretty much timeless, and still look beautiful and current even many years after they've been produced. But one of the best parts about her, she's not just a looker, she can perform too, as seen in these images here, and easily takes a win for the boats. That's going to take us into our fifth and final round, tied it to a piece. Who will take the win this week? Will it be the boats or Haulover Inlet? Our contestant in this round is going to be none other than a big Midnight Express pushing triple 350s on the back, and here we can tell they are absolutely destroying Haulover, just blasting out the inlet, throttle down, and all of a sudden something changes, and right around here we're going to see the infamous Haulover U Turn. Now this one actually is a little bit of a surprise because it comes with no warning. I don't see any particular issues that have gone on with the boat. I didn't see anything fly off the vessel, so I'm not 100% sure why these guys turned around. A couple of theories on this might be though, they're just out here trying to show off for the cameras. We see people out here doing that all the time. A second option could always be that they forgot something at the dock obviously, or maybe it's just a little too intimidating out there for them today. But whatever the reason is, they actually look pretty good going and coming, and we're going to go ahead and give this round to the boats, and the boats are going to take a win in this episode. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the content, please check out our other channels. We have Wavy Boats, who gets us all this great footage down at Haulover Inlet. My channel, Broncos Guru, we do some great comedy boating videos over there as well. And our newest channel, the Miami Boat Ramps channel, that focuses on all the hilarity that happens at the boat ramps around Miami. And if you haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button.